Most beginners start with ClickBank, but that's not necessarily where I'd start. After 25 years online, here are the affiliate programs and the platforms that I'd recommend to beginners in 2026. So the first program I'm going to talk about is called OLSP, or as it's now known, the OLSP Academy. Now I've been in this program for just over a year and I've made some money with it. In fact, it's now $1,186. And what I like about this affiliate program is that everybody has a chance to succeed. So there aren't many programs where you're going to earn as soon as you join, but this is one of them. So you sign up for $7 and they give you what's called a mega link, and you go out and promote that wherever you want. So it could be to your friends, your family, on Facebook, new people that you come across, and you just make posts on there and you give value, and eventually people might want to check out what you're doing and ask you questions about it, and then you can make those sales. But you can also earn if you promote one of their events. So for example, they have these, at the moment they've got something called Student Success Week, so various students are coming on to talk about different things, and if you promote this then you're going to get paid. So here it says invite and earn, so if I click that button I'm given a link here and I just need to share that link, and then I'll get paid if somebody joins the webinar. Also you have something called the Skill Center, and this is where all the training is held. So you just start by watching these videos and it tells you exactly how to succeed. And when you watch a video you're going to get paid $5, so you're basically getting paid just for learning. Now I don't know of any other program that gives you that kind of advantage. You also have a community here where you can ask any questions. So anything you're not sure about and you want help, just post a question here and somebody will come in and answer it and point you in the right direction. So when you sign up for $7, as I said, you're given a link, you just share that and you get paid. So why did I choose this program? I've promoted a lot of programs over 25 years. Most didn't make the cut for one reason or another. But OLSP stood out for three specific reasons. The commission structure makes genuine financial sense. And Wayne Crow, the owner, has a solid reputation for actually paying his affiliates properly. And the training inside gives complete beginners a real chance of success if they follow it consistently. So that's the OLSP Academy affiliate program. I've left the link below if you want to get started. The next affiliate program I want to talk about is Systemi.io, and this is a platform for email marketing, and you can create funnels, opt-in pages, you can create blogs, and you can sell your own products on here as well. So it's an all-in-one platform and it's very powerful. It's very popular these days, and they offer an affiliate program. So if we scroll to the bottom of the page, we can see here under info it says become an affiliate. So over 5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. So down here it says earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription. They have strong affiliate tracking, open and simple rules, so there are no conditions to join the affiliate program. Anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a Systemi.io customer. So this is how you get started. So they give you a link, an affiliate link, and anyone who signs up through your link is permanently linked to you. No application needed. You get your unique affiliate ID instantly after creating a free account. So even if they convert months later, you still earn commissions. So whether they upgrade in a week, a month or a year, the commission is yours. So these are the offers. So you can get people on the free plan here, which is costs nothing to join, and then you'll earn 60% recurring commissions if one of your referrals purchases a paid plan. So these are the paid plans. So this is $14 a month, and you're going to earn 60% lifetime recurring commissions. Same with this one, $39 a month, 60% affiliate commissions, and the same with this $80 a month plan as well. So down here you've got a few testimonials from affiliates, and down here some frequently asked questions about the affiliate program. So this one, how much commission can I earn? So they're talking about the 60% recurring on every plan here. So if somebody buys the startup plan, $17 a month, you're going to earn $10.20 a month. The unlimited plan, $97 a month, you're going to earn $58.20 a month. And if you refer 10 people to the unlimited plan, that is $582 a month in recurring income. So it's a pretty good affiliate program, I think. So that's the Systemi.io affiliate program. The next program we're going to look at is the GetResponse affiliate program. So GetResponse is another email marketing platform, and they also have an affiliate program. So you're going to get up to 60% commission every time somebody buys a GetResponse account via your affiliate link. So here's the affiliate program page. Just click this button here to sign up, and they're going to give you a unique link. So you're going to earn up to 60% per sale for every paying customer who signs up with your link. You'll earn up to 60% recurring commission. And these are the different affiliate commission tiers. So you got a bronze plan where you earn 40% commission for 12 months. Silver, that's 50% commission for 12 months. That's if you get 50 plus sales in 12 months. And there's the gold tier, 100 plus sales in 12 months. You're going to earn 60% commission for 12 months. So who's the program for? Affiliates who want to create a new source of revenue, freelancers, bloggers, review sites, content creators, affiliates with small business traffic, marketing consultants, online marketing experts. So this guy has been promoting GetResponse as an affiliate, and he's made over $90,000. And GetResponse, they've been going for a good number of years, so very respected company, very well known in the affiliate marketing world. And down here, you've got some more information about the program. So can anyone join the program? Our program is free to join. After you submit your application, they're going to review your website, distribution channels, and audience to ensure alignment. So that is the GetResponse affiliate program. Now before I finish, I should mention there are also affiliate marketplaces where you can find thousands of additional products to promote. So this is the ClickBank marketplace. You find that at clickbank.com, and they have a range of products in various niches. For example, health and fitness, e-business, spirituality, self-help, home and garden, e-commerce, green products, and business and investing. So for example, in e-business and e-marketing, we can see there's a range of products here. And what you do is you find one that you like, and then you just click on this blue button here that says Get Affiliate Link, and they'll give you an affiliate link to promote. And if you make a sale, you get paid. The other marketplace is on Warrior Plus. You'll find that at warriorplus.com. And the products they have is mainly in the make money online niche, although you can find a few other niches like health and fitness here as well. So if you find a product you want to promote, you just click on this request button here, and you request to become an affiliate for that product, and if you're approved, you'll be able to promote it. So one thing to be aware of with both ClickBank and Warrior Plus is that product quality can vary, and some offers can experience relatively high refund rates. So that's why I prefer focusing on products and platforms that I've personally used. So those are my top affiliate program recommendations for beginners. My number one pick is OLSP because it is designed specifically for people who are just getting started and want training alongside the opportunity to earn commissions. GetResponse also has a well-established affiliate program and is backed by a company that has been around for many years. Systemi.io is another affiliate program worth considering, particularly because the platform has become very popular with online marketers and entrepreneurs. And finally, ClickBank. This isn't an affiliate program itself, it's actually a marketplace where you can find thousands of different affiliate offers across a wide range of niches. So if you're just starting out, my advice would be to pick one affiliate program, focus on learning it properly, and avoid the temptation to join dozens of different programs all at once. So those are the affiliate programs and the platforms that I'd recommend to beginners in 2026. Remember, success in affiliate marketing usually doesn't come from joining more programs. It comes from choosing one, learning it properly, and sticking with it long enough to get results. If you'd like to learn more about any of the programs that I've mentioned, I've put the links in the description below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.